Hey YC, so I'm going to give you a quick demo of Stack, the EHR solution that we are building for consumers. Let me open up the app. So this is the dashboard. What you see now is a health summary screen for my dad, Salim Sheikh. Quite a lot of info is displayed here. The first thing you see is the current medication that he's on, followed by the chronic ailments. So he's a severe diabetic. He was critically admitted twice in the last 4 years. So the treatments done display that. Below that you have a few categories: consultations, reports, bills, and allergies. Right now, let's say I want to look at some recent tests done for my dad. Let me click on reports. So when I do that, by default it will show me the ones conducted in the last 6 months. So the most recent one was done about a month ago. It was done at HealthSure Diagnostics, recommended by Dr. Rajesh Kumar, and we did a CBC test wherein multiple abnormalities were detected. I can actually look at the report here. Okay, so there were quite a few parameters which were abnormal. Similarly, we highlight the abnormalities. I can also look at a bigger timeline, wherein I can see all of his reports that I have. Going back, I can do the same thing with consultations or even bills. Right now, interestingly, I can also check how much have we spent in terms of healthcare for my dad. So this year we've spent about 2,300, which is still pretty low. Now if I have to look at all the data that I have, so since 25th of April, last year we've spent close to 100,000 rupees, which is quite a lot. So I can even look at the data for my mom or even for myself. So if I switch to my mom's profile, so she is under medication for thyroid. She also has knee pain and high blood pressure. She's undergone 2 kidney stone surgeries in the last 3 years. Now, since 2018 May, we have spent 64,000 on her tests and various medical expenses. Now, if you look at me, thankfully I do not have any major problems, but still I did some tests, and hence my spends this year are close to 1,300 bucks. So the way it works is, if you want to add data, right? If you want to add data to the EHR, all you have to do is click on upload bills and reports. Okay, now in front of me on the table I have my own consultation report from a doctor. I can just click and upload it. Right now, as soon as we receive the data, we process it and add it to a dashboard. That's how simple it is to create all of these summaries for you.